I had my share of hard times too. But I lost my faith in the world, honey, when I lost you. You don't know what's going on. You've been away for far too long. You can't come back and think you are still there.